Am I clear? Just a moment, guys. Okay, so A1, A2 plus B1, B2 is more than 0. Done? Now, that means now if A1, A2 plus B1, B2 is more than 0, positive sign will give you obtuse bisector, negative sign will give you acute bisector. So, combined equation of bisectors is 2x plus 3y plus 7 upon under root of 13 is A1 square plus B1 square is plus minus 3x plus 2y plus 17 upon under root of 13. This root 13 will cancel. So with positive sign, I get obtuse angle. That means 2x plus 3y plus 7 is 3x plus 2y plus 17. So that is x minus y plus 10 equal to 0. With negative sign, I get acute angle bisector. That is 2x plus 3y plus 7 is minus 3x minus 2y minus 17. So it is 5x plus 5y plus 17 and 7, 24 equals to 0. Got it? So this is how we obtain the acute bisector and the obtuse angled bisector. Am I clear? Now, equation of family of lines through the intersection of two given lines. Now see, say you have two given lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Then equation of their family of lines means the infinite number of lines which are passing through the point of intersection of these two given lines will be L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. So if there is a line L1 equal to 0, one line is L2 equal to 0, so L1 plus lambda L2 is equals to 0. This is the family of line passing through their point of intersection. Here, this lambda is a parameter, and to resolve this lambda, they will provide you different situations. Putting those, you will get your lambda. All right. For example, if I take a question, find equation of line passing through the intersection of L1, that is x plus y plus 13 equals to 0, and L2, 2x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Find the equation of line passing through the intersection of L1 and L2 and also passing through origin. Alright, equation of line passing through the intersection of L1 and L2 and also passing through origin. So one way is you find the point of intersection of these two lines. One way is we find the point of intersection of these two lines. Other way is write family of lines x plus y plus 13 plus lambda times 2x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Now out of this family, I want that one line which is passing through the origin. So make it pass through origin. You get 13 plus 7 lambda equals to 0. So lambda is minus of 13 upon 7. So the equation is x plus y plus 13 minus 13 by 7, 2x minus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. So it is, now you can simplify it and get the correct answer. All right. So this was what? Family of lines. Am I clear? Now, now we will do some questions, and that is the ultimate agenda for any chapter. All right. Okay. So first of all, start with this question. If in a parallelogram ABCD, the coordinates of ABC are this is the equation of the diagonal AD is. Yes, go through. Yes. If in a parallelogram ABCD, the coordinates of A, B, and C are respectively 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 5. Equation of the diagonal AD is. Yes, how to do? Quickly, I am launching the poll. Mark your correct answer here only. Quickly, quickly. Anybody quickly? So anyways, nobody has marked any answer. Am I audible, guys? Is my voice audible to you? Then why nobody is responding even if I'm audible? So anyways, see, they are saying there is a parallelogram ABCD. A, B, C, and D. Now, vertex A is 1, comma 2, B is 3, comma 4, C is 2, comma 5. Now, vertex D you have to find. So once you got vertex D, you can find the equation of AD. Now see, I know in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. So if this point is A, comma B, see what is the midpoint? According to AC, this midpoint DP is going to be 2 plus 1 upon 2, 5 plus 2 upon 2. And this is equals to, if I take midpoint according to BD. So A plus 3 by 2 and B plus 4 by 2. So that means A plus 3 is going to be 3, equate their x coordinate. You get A as 0 and 7 by 2 is equals to B plus 4 by 2. So I got B as 3. Am I clear? So this vertex T became 0, comma 3. So equation of BD will be y minus y1, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus 0. So 3y minus 9 is x. That's it. So x minus 3y plus 9. Okay, just a moment. I am finding the equation of BD, but they have asked in the question equation of AD. Sorry. This is what you don't have to do. We have to find out the equation of AD. So AD is 0, 3 and 1, 2. So y minus y1 is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So minus y plus 2 is x minus y. Equation of AD is not a diagonal. There is some problem in this question. In a parallelogram ABCD, okay, ABDC they are saying. So basically, this is your D and this is your C. ABDC. Now vertex C is 2, 5 and vertex D is what? A, B. Vertex A is 1, 2 and B is 3, 4. Okay. In this case, the entire dynamics changed now. So now P according to A, D will be A plus 1 by 2, B plus 2 by 2 is BC 5 by 2, 9 by 2. Correct now? So with this, you will get A as 4 and you will get B as 7. So this point became 4, 7. Got it? Now 1, 2 though satisfying all the options. 4, 7 if you check. Satisfying A option. Got it? So 4, 7 is what? A option is this. Am I clear? Now, the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point 1, 2, 3 on a line passing through this and this. Perpendicular drawn from the point this on a line passing through this is 5 by 3, 7 by 3, 17 by 3. Then alpha is equal to. Yes. How to do quickly attempt? इसको open. Equal. So the question is like, there is a line which is passing through alpha 7, 1. And then there is a point 103. From 103, foot of perpendicular on this line is 5 by 3, comma 7 by 3, comma 17 by 3. Okay, this question actually turned up into the 3D geometry. All right. So let's leave it as of now. Locus of the midpoint of perpendicular drawn from points on the line this and this is. Just do it quickly. Locus of the midpoint of the perpendiculars drawn from points on this line to this line. Yes, quickly. Yes, quickly. Locus of the midpoint of perpendiculars drawn from points on this line to this line. See, the question is like there is a line y equal to x, then there is a line y equals to x by 2. Now points are taken on this line and perpendiculars are dropped to this line. They are asking you to find the locus of this middle point h comma k. Am I clear? Now see, any point on this line will be a comma a. Any point on this line will be b comma b by 2. So a plus b will be 2h using midpoints and a plus b by 2 will be 2k. So a plus b is 2h and 2a plus b is equals to 4k. You just subtract both of them. If I subtract them, I get minus a as minus a as 2h minus 4k. Am I clear? Now one more thing, since they are perpendicular, so slope of these two lines will be product of the slope minus 1. So k minus a upon h minus a into 1 is minus 1. So k minus a is minus h plus a. So h plus k is 2a. So h plus k will be 2a is 8k minus 4h. Am I clear? So you just settle it down. You get 5h minus 7k equals to 0. So locus is 5x minus 7y equals to 0. Locus is 5x minus 7y is equals to 0. This will be your answer. Got it? Have a look, absorb it. Is it fine? Done. Now, let's go. If the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining point this and this has y-intercept equal to -4, then the value of k is. Quickly do. Okay, now I'm launching the poll. Mark your correct answer. Start over quickly. If the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining point this and this has y-intercept equals to -4, then the value of k is. You have two ends of a line segment. So now you want to write the equation of their perpendicular bisector. Quickly. Very good, very good. Quickly, others also participate. Come on. Well, now let's see. The question is, if the perpendicular bisector, see, there is a line segment. Okay. So there is a line segment joining P1, 4 and Q, K, 3. Now, this is going to be the equation of their perpendicular bisector like this. It will be passing through their midpoint, that is k plus 1 by 2, comma 7 by 2. Now, slope of this line is what? Slope will be y2 minus y1. So it is 3 minus 4. That is -1 upon k minus 1. 3 minus 4 upon k minus 1. So slope of this line will be k minus 1, negative of the reciprocal of perpendicular line slope. So line will be y minus 7 by 2 is equals to slope into x minus k plus 1 upon 2. Correct? Now they are saying this line having y-intercept minus 4. That means if I put x equal to 0, value of y should be minus 4. So minus 4 minus 7 by 2 is k minus 1 into k plus 1 upon 2 with a negative sign. Alright. So it is k square minus 1 is going to be 15 upon 2 and by 2. This is cancelled. So k square goes 16. So value of k is plus minus 4. So in the options, minus 4 is there and that is your correct answer. Alright. Take a look. Simple question. It was very simple. Now, take the next question. Equation of one of the straight lines which passes through the point 1 comma 3 and making an angle of this with this straight line is. Yes, go through. Just quickly attempt quickly. The equation of one of the straight lines which passes through the point 1 comma 3 and makes an angle tan inverse root 2 with the straight line y plus 1 is 3 root 2 times x is. See, anybody? I'm just launching the poll for 1 minute. So if you get the right answer, mark your answer. Yes. Very good. Others also participate quickly. All right. See, Equation of one of the straight lines which passes through the point 1, 3 makes an angle. See, this is the line. Y plus 1 is 3 root 2x. Alright. Now, definitely there will always be two lines which are making this angle theta, where tan theta is under root 2. Let us assume this slope is n. Alright. Now, its slope is what? 3 root 2. Now, angle between these two lines is tan theta root 2. So, tan theta is mod m1 minus m2. Say this is m1, this is m2 whose value is m upon 1 plus m1 m2. Correct? So, under root 2 is mod m minus 3 root 2 upon 1 plus 3 root 2 m. Now, m minus 3 root 2 upon 1 plus 3 root 2 m is plus minus root 2. So, m minus 3 root 2 is plus minus root 2 plus minus 6m. Now if I take positive sign, I get minus 5m is equals to minus 5m is going to be 4 root 2. So in that case, m is going to be minus 4 root 2 upon 5. Now if I consider negative sign, then 7m will be 2 root 2. So in that case, m will be 2 under root 2 by 7. Got it? Now the options they are making, options of the slope are, if you realize, 4 root 2 by 5, minus of 5 root 2 by 4, 4 root 2 upon 5 with negative sign, and 4 root 2 by 5. Slope, according to me, is minus of 4 root 2 by 5. So minus 4 root 2 by 5 option is only correct in either first option or it is in the third option. All right. So I will consider these two. Now, one point they have mentioned 1 comma 3. So make it pass through 1 comma 3. So y minus 3 is minus 4 root 2 by 5 into x minus 1. So 5y minus 5 3 is 15 is minus 4 root 2x plus 4 root 2. So your answer will be 4 root 2x plus 5y is 15 plus 4 root 2. 4 root 2x plus 5y is 4 root 2x plus 5y is 15 plus 4 root 2. Ultimately, this is going to be your correct answer. All right. Okay, raise your hands if you got it correct. Kritika? Manya, you got it? Shanmukha? Okay, nobody is willing to speak up anything. No problem. So this is all main concepts from this chapter. Now I'll teach you something. Yes. See, converse of family of lines, which is mainly used. Like what in general I know? Equation of infinite number of lines. Equation of infinite number of lines passing through the point of intersection of L1 equals to 0 and L2 equal to 0 is L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. Now here lambda is a parameter which we will evaluate by applying any other third condition. Alright. Now the converse is if a line if a line is given like L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0, where lambda is a parameter. If a line is given as L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0, where lambda is a parameter, then it will represent infinite lines passing through the intersection of L1 equals to 0 and L2 equal to 0. Got it? Passing through the intersection of L1 equals to 0 and L2 equal to 0. And let's take an example. Given A plus 2B plus 7C equal to 0. Show that given if A plus 2B plus 7C equal to 0, show that line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 always passes through a fixed point. Now, see how do we do it. Given is A plus 2B plus 7C equal to 0. Do one thing. Put one of A, B or C in terms of other two in the given line. So let A is minus 2B minus 7C. So you put it here. Minus 2B minus 7C into X plus BY plus C equal to 0. Alright. So minus 2BX minus 7CY plus BY plus C equal to 0. So B times Y minus 2X plus C times 1 minus 7Y equals to 0. Yes or no? Now, isn't it in the form of, if you divide it by B, so you get Y minus 2X plus C upon B, 1 minus 7Y equal to 0. So that is L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0, which is a family of line passing through the intersection of L1 equals to 0 and L2 equal to 0, means 1 minus 7Y equal to 0. So Y goes 1 by 7 and Y minus 2X equal to 0. So X goes 1 by 14, means Y by 2. So that fixed point is going to be 1 by 14 comma 1 by 7. Am I correct? Got it? So this is what we call the converse of the family of line. But yes, the possibilities and the variety of questions in this chapter are endless. So Sri Lakshmi, next topic we shall be starting most probably by circle. But in my next class, we shall be doing more problem solving on straight line only. All right. So that would be all. Now I would like to ask you for a small feedback about this class. Yeah, please go.